As we know that work is the product of the applied force and displacement along the direction of the applied force. But sometimes there is some angle between the applied force and displacement. That means applied force and displacement are not in the same direction. Example, if we hit a ball by the bat, then ball goes in the upward direction and fall after some time by traveling a parabolic shape. So the initial position of ball is just like at the position of A, and the final position of the ball just like B. The force is applied in the direction of AP, but the displacement is in the direction of AB, which is equal to D. Here applied force and displacement are not in the same direction, so we will take the component of applied force F in the direction of the displacement. To find out the component of the applied force, we draw a perpendicular PM, and so we get a right angle triangle PMA. Let the angle PAM is theta. Then we know that the opposite side of the acute angle is called perpendicular, opposite angle of the 90 degree is called hypotenuse, and the remaining side is called base. Therefore, in triangle PMA, AM upon AP equal to cos theta, that is base upon hypotenuse equal to cos theta. Therefore, AM equal to, by cross multiplication, AM in AP into cos theta, AM equal to F cos theta. This will be the component of the force F, or component of the applied force F in the direction of AB or displacement. So now the work done is given by W equal to component of the force F cos theta into displacement, that is FD cos theta. So we can say that if there is the angle between force and displacement, that is theta, or we can say that when applied force and displacement are not along the same direction, in this case work done W is given by FD cos theta, where theta is the angle between force and displacement. Now there are three cases arises. Case A, when the force and the displacement are in the same direction or along in the direction of the applied force, then theta will be 0 because there will no angle is formed. In this case cos 0 will be 1. W equal to FD, and then in place of cos theta will be 1. So W equal to FD. In this case maximum work is done. Case B, when the angle between force and displacement is 90 degree, then cos 90 is 0. Therefore, putting the value of cos theta 0, we get W equal to F into D into 0, which comes W equal to 0. That means in case of when force, the angle between the force and displacement is 0, then work done will be also 90 degree, then work done will be 0. In case of Coolie kept the burden or load on his head, so the weight of the load working in the downwards direction, and if Coolie moves in the horizontal plane, the displacement is along the direction of the horizontal, and weight acts in the vertical direction. So the angle between the displacement and load is 90 degree. Therefore Coolie does not work theoretically, that is work done is 0 in case of Coolie. Now the last case is case C.